Underground crypto, breaking stereotypes, navigating through the world of crypto hype. A passive mainstream, they're on the rise, educating the masses, opening our eyes. Underground crypto, shining bright, taking us on a journey.
Welcome back to Underground Crypto. We're here with another deep dive for you today. We're going to be going over Mantra. This thing seems to be picking up some steam. People seem to be talking about it. So I figured it's a good one to go over. It's 125th by market cap, if you know what I'm talking about. Ticker OM, like ohming. That's what they're going for here. Price is about 94 cents as of recording. Looks like it had a high of about like 97 today. 24-hour chart here had a little peak in it. And then for the most part, it seems like it's been pretty much, well, for the 24-hour, it hasn't done a whole lot except for peak out. But if you go to the 7-day, we've been steadily moving up for a few days here. Good chances this thing's going to continue to move so long as Bitcoin actually continues to rather go sideways or move up. If it dips, everything dips. Everybody gets scared, sell everything, and yeah, market pulls back. And that can happen at almost any point in a bull run. It doesn't mean the bull run's over, but 30-40% or more corrections for Bitcoin are actually pretty normal in a bull run. Market cap $781.4 million there in the market cap. Total supply, circulating supply, pretty close to each other, not much of a gap there. This seems to be the thing now. Everybody's making their max supply, 888 million. Max supply, total supply, circulating supply is 825.6 million. So not very far off of its total supply. Hopefully meaning there's not a lot of people who are going to dump on you here. 24-hour trading volume is 74.8 million. It's pretty good, and your TVL, or total value locked, is only about 973,000. I think that number is a little low for the amount of market cap going on here. So that's one kind of nail there. Let's go ahead and look at your exchanges. If you like this token, like this review, and you wanted to speculate on it, I'm not a financial advisor. This is not a buy signal. I'm not telling you to buy this coin. Neither have I bought this coin, and I'm probably not going to buy this coin. Just, for full disclosure, this is just a review. But you can get it on Binance if you have access. Gate.io, not something I use. Toko Crypto, not something I use. BingX, not something I use personally. KuCoin I do use. Although it's annoying with the whole American citizenship thing. I just filed for my RNS Palau ID. Hopefully we will have that soon. And then it won't matter what exchange we use. And we don't need to go 4 pages through exchanges. I am surprised to not see MEXC on the list. PancakeSwap, that's a great place to grab it in a decentralized way. I don't see MEXC on here, but I do wonder if they have it. MEXC is kind of my favorite place to trade. It's where I do all my day trading and stuff like that. But I also do buy a lot of coins and then move it off of their exchange on the cold storage wallet, because sometimes it's the quickest, most trusted, easiest place to get the latest, hottest coins that Coinbase is not going to have for like 6 months, a year, or ever sometimes. Anyways, enough of that spiel. Let's go ahead and move on to their website, and let's try to figure out what Mantra is about. Is this a Yogi coin? I don't know. I don't think so. I think they just went with that name. I don't think that actually has anything to do with what they were doing. Build with Mantra, bring the world's financial ecosystem on-chain. Mantra is a security-first, real-world asset layer 1 blockchain capable of adherence to real-world regulatory requirements. So right there, like I always say, anytime we're reviewing a coin, we got to think, what is the narrative? What is the category that this is going to be in? Why would it pump? Why would people be excited about it? And it's right there. Real world assets are going to be so much bigger than probably anybody understands at this point. I mean, when you've got people like BlackRock pretty much telling you that everything's going to get digitalized, every real asset, every piece of real estate, everything you can think of that's a real hard asset, not a digital asset, is going to be digitally represented on the blockchain. And I firmly believe that that is going to happen without a shadow of a doubt. So let's move on here, see if they have anything else going on. Maybe they could tell us how they're going to do this. Permissionless chain for permissioned applications. Got some links here for builders, for traders. Maybe we'll come back and click on that. Get rid of that. Alright, guard module. Leverage verified on-chain users and dApps, decentralized applications, powered by DIDs for seamless identity verification across dApps within the IBC. I'm pretty sure DIDs is digital IDs. Pretty 100% on that. IBCs, not 100 on what that means. I've seen that once or twice before, but it's not coming to my mind here, so you'll have to forgive me. Empowering developers and users, reduced costs and complexities for both projects and retail users alike. Know your counterparty. I wonder if that's a reference to KYC, know your customer. Know your counterparty. Reduce cost and complexities for both projects and retail users alike. Low cost and fast. I feel like every single project right now is saying that. Which one's really the lowest cost and the fastest, I don't know. Optimize transactions both on-chain and cross-chain, powered by inter-blockchain communications protocols, IBC. Application first protocol. Get access to DEX, decentralized exchanges, yield-bearing vault, and real-world asset tokenization platforms from day one. Build on a battle-tested chain. Increase trust, transparency, and security provided by Cosmos SDK. So right there's a shout to Cosmos. I'm assuming this is maybe on the Cosmos network, but when we go back to CoinGecko here, has an Ethereum contract address, so I'm an Etherscan in the Explorer, so I'm assuming this is an Ethereum ERC20 token, or at least an Ethereum token. I know there's another standard that's out now. Not sure what Cosmos has to do. Cosmos is probably one of the blockchains and ecosystems I am the least knowledgeable about. Out here, there's a million things to know. There's a million blockchains to get into the ecosystem, from Solana to, you name it. There's tons of them. I mean, Caspa is going to have KRC20s out now, and that's probably going to be the hottest thing. Base Network just has a bunch of explosion on their blockchain that's really just come into the limelight here, and there's so many things to keep up with. It's a full-time job. Alright, explore the world of opportunities that Mantra Chain unlocks. Let's see what they have to say. Identity systems with decentralized IDs. Most people hate that. Governance and continuous upgrades. Mantra's chain fosters dynamic ecosystem, and it is changing while I'm trying to read it. That's no fun. Alright, Mantra Chain fosters a dynamic ecosystem through on-chain governance, enabling community participation and continuous upgrades and improvements. I don't think I'm that slow of a reader, guys. Come on, why does it keep changing? Alright, on and off ramping with regulatory compliance. Mantra Chain ensures compliance with accessible on-ramp and off-ramp protocols for fiat equities and tokenized real-world assets, catering to both retail and institutional users. IBC compatibility for token movement. Mantra Chain utilizes Cosmos Hub IBC protocol for secure token movement and seamless transaction. They don't make this easy, do they? Seamless transaction across the Cosmos ecosystem, so it is very involved with the Cosmos ecosystem. Tokenization of real-world assets, RWAs. Mantra Chain enables the seamless fractionalization and tokenization real-world assets, including art, commodities, and real estate. Alright, ready to start building? You can find out more and explore the ecosystem. Simplify your crypto investment with Mantra DEX. So we have Ohm Staking. This is their whole staking department. Okay, cool. You can click on these. Sometimes you get to the website and you go to click on stuff and it's just pictures. It's not really formatable. So get rewards for simple staking. Who doesn't have staking nowadays? Vaults earn yield with your USDC in a simple and secure way on the Mantra Vaults. Get exposure to certain assets and its associated staking rewards without going through cumbersome processes of purchasing and staking it manually. They got a swap. Again, at this point, it feels like everybody has a swap. Enjoy a smooth trading experience while instantly exchanging one asset for another. That's what a swap is. Central limit order book. Reap the benefits of transparent order books for accurate price discovery and streamlined trade execution. As somebody who does quite a bit of whatever you want to call it, day trading, swing trading, I'm long-term trading. I'm doing all the forms of trading pretty much all the time. So I don't know what to put my finger and call myself exactly, but I'm a trader for sure. This type of stuff is really cool to me. I don't really see myself right this second moving to something like this. Probably going to stay where I am, which is Mexi. And always shout out to the Crypto Lifer. That's where I got pretty much all of my education, and it's been a wonderful ride hanging with the Crypto Lifers. Check them on YouTube. That's the best place to find them. Liquidity pools and farms. Provide assets to earn rewards and share of all transaction fees charged to traders that use the pool, and a share of all transaction fees. So if you are in the liquidity pool and farms, the transactional fees that go on Mantra, DAO, network, whatever they got going on here, you will get a piece of it. That is the way it is set up. In the news, so they've gotten a little bit of coverage. With this part of most of the websites that we go over, it's like if their name is mentioned at all, they stick it on their website. So sometimes they're actually really talking about them. Sometimes it's just a vague reference. So let's check this out. Crypto news from Wall Street to your street. Every asset becomes an investment opportunity through tokenization. Okay, I was afraid it was not going to take me to an article there for a minute. Let's reject the cookies. From Wall Street to your street, every asset becomes an investment opportunity through tokenization, says Mantra CEO. Of course he would say that. Why wouldn't he say that? He runs a crypto company. Oh, there's even a little disclaimer. The industry talk section presents information from cryptocurrency brokers and is not part of the editorial content of cryptonews.com. It literally means nothing to me. In a groundbreaking move that has set traditional finance world abuzz with excitement, real-world assets are swiftly gaining transactions within the crypto and blockchain sphere, spearheaded by the recent surge in interest from major players like BlackRock. The convergence of real-world assets with blockchain technology is poised to revolutionize the global financial landscape. I do not come pre-read any of this stuff. Maybe I should, maybe I shouldn't. Very busy on the daily basis. Don't have time for that. Yeah, these are very unedited and raw. The point of the channel is we are deep diving together. BlackRock's impact on asset tokenization. And I think I do pretty good for the fact that I don't pre-read some of these things. Not sure if you guys really want me to read all this, but we'll do a little bit more here. BlackRock's foray into the realm of tokenized assets with the launch of BUIDL Fund on March 20 sent shockwaves through the industry, attracting a staggering $240 million in inflows. This move underscores the pivotal shift in the market, signaling the increased acceptance of asset tokenization as viable investment avenues. As investors seek to marry the stability of traditional assets with the innovative potential of blockchain, the demand for RWAs has surged, promoting a flurry of activity in the sector. Alright, let's see. Are they ever going to talk about Mantra? That's what I want to know. Mantra's role in the real-world asset tokenization. Good. at the forefront of this burgeoning, maybe I am just an idiot, but I don't recognize that word. At the frontier of this trend is Mantra, a Cosmos-based Layer 1 blockchain platform dedicated to unlocking the value of real-world assets. In a recent interview with us, Mantra CEO John Patrick Mullen shed light on the challenges and opportunities inherent in tokenizing tangible assets, emphasizing the pivotal role of blockchain technology, particularly the Cosmos network, in facilitating this transformative process. BlackRock's Biddle Fund has ignited a global interest in asset tokenization. Yeah, let's give BlackRock all the credit for the global interest in tokenization. Nice. Remarked Mantra CEO John Patrick Mullen. The success of this innovative and underscored the viability of tokenized assets as a mainstream investment avenue, driving unprecedented attention to the convergence of traditional finance with blockchain technology. Getting to the end of that, I'm realizing they have literally said absolutely nothing about what has to do with Mantra. So we are going to go back to their website and not read all of these. I was hoping they would be a little more juicy here, but I don't think you guys really want to sit through all of that. And that is kind of the end of their website. We will hop to their Twitter. I'm sure their Twitter is going to, pass the smell test per se. We'll go ahead and follow them, and you should follow me, CryptoRon, at _ground crypto, and that's at _ground crypto because, of course, underground crypto was taken. Not surprised by that. So they have 250.2 thousand followers. Martini Guy also follows them, if you know who that is. They says they joined in 2020. A lot of times these pages I find just grab a Twitter page or something they've already had, usually because it has a few hundred followers or more on it already, and so who knows if that 2020 has any relevance to this project at all. The pinned post has 221,000 impressions. It's pretty good. 270 retweets, or yeah, I guess we're still calling them retweets, I'm not sure. And 80,000 80 comments, which is not very many for how many impressions it has, but that's alright. This is probably not something you really need to comment on. We'll go ahead and play it. Sorry about that. Was not expecting it to be that loud. And especially for nothing. There was really nothing there the volume was needed for. This is the end of the message. Don't be fooled by impersonators. What are they talking about? I have no idea. But it got 2.7 thousand impressions, 12 reposts. I don't know why that was reposted. Anyways, let's not get lost in the sauce here, guys. They're posting 8 hours ago. Let's see how often. 11 hours ago. Pretty good. I mean, we're still on today. They're doing Leap's mobile wallet and web extensions are now live. Mantra hung by testnet. So I think that this project might still be in testnet phase. Not 100% sure, but it seems that way. And if you know a lot about the Cosmos network and more familiar with this, feel free to leave a comment and or message me on Twitter. Might even be better. And yeah, throw me some information, some links, some places to look for more information on this. Let's see. Is there anything else worth going over here? Their Medium. A lot of times I don't go to the Medium page as it is mostly just articles. Yeah, this is their integration into the Leap wallet. That's pretty cool. Step-by-step guide on how to stake your ohm. Hackers Hideout, an offline RWA build-a-thon. So that's like a hackathon, I'm sure, where they're trying to make sure they don't have exploits in their code. RWA Saving Vault powered by Ondo's USDY. So, alright, that's all cool stuff. I'm probably going to go ahead and end the video there. We're about to hit 20 minutes. I know a lot of people can't hold attention for too much longer than that. So, it's up 7.8% today, so it is trending, and people are, getting to hear about it. Excited. Again, it is 125th by market cap, which is pretty decent, I think, for a project like this that I don't really feel like a lot of crypto people have ever really heard of. That might just be me because I'm not involved in the Cosmo ecosystem. Again, not a financial advisor. This is not a call to buy this coin. I don't own this coin. I don't own anything either, but I don't own this coin. And also, I've never spoke to anybody on their team. They've never reached out and asked me to make a video. None of that crap. My gut feeling on this project, to be honest, probably going to be something like a 5, pretty much right in the middle. It could do some stuff. It could totally fade off into irrelevancy. It does have the real world asset, so, maybe I want to give it more like a 6. I think when it comes to real world assets, though, this does have a really low market cap for a real world asset kind of thing. But Ondo, Relio, those kind of things I think are really going to take most of the cake there. And I don't know how much market share is really going to be left for Mantra. But who knows? They're already got to be 125th, so I guess that is not horrible, and we'll have to see. That's just how I feel about it. Maybe you feel different. Leave a comment, hit the like, share, subscribe for sure. Bell notification to get any videos. And really what this community is supposed to be about. We're in the super early phases. I'm working on setting up a whole office and green screen and all that jazz. The videos will get better for sure. Trust that. Just have a really busy lifestyle here that I'm trying to get dialed in so we can really hit this a lot harder. I was starting to say something else, totally lost my train of thought. That happened. Oh, the whole point of the community is to deep dive coins together, talk about coins, talk about what people are finding, what are people looking at, people catching new coins coming out. Gonna look into starting a Discord group for it. I'm sure it's gonna get overrun by bots, so I have to figure all of that kind of stuff out as we go. The joy of running a YouTube channel and making a community. Thanks for watching the video. If you made it to the end, you are the real MVP. Crypto Ron out.